Meaning of insistent.
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 Insistent. The term insistent refers to a person or thing that persistently or emphatically demands something or refuses to be denied or ignored. It implies a determined and forceful attitude towards achieving a particular goal or outcome. An insistent individual may repeatedly express their opinion, make requests, or demand attention until the desired response is obtained. This type of behavior can be positive or negative, depending on the context and the nature of the demand. Overall, being insistent can be a powerful tool for achieving one's objectives, but it should be used with caution and consideration for others.